Santa's sleigh is here, so bright. I see gifts sparkling in the moonlight. Which gift should I open first? Let's see the surprises that bring the most cheer.
New toys, dolls, candy, 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 candy.
Let's build a snowman big and round and give him gifts we found.
Santa Claus brings gifts tonight, joy and laughter, pure delight. Open gifts, big and small, Santa's magic delights us all.
This is so much fun! Look, I spin in circles. Watch me slide fast like a rocket. Look, pink and red candies everywhere, and a shiny sugar roof on top. Let's make sure Santa finds them all. And don't forget the candy canes too. Wait, faster, faster! This hill is so sparkly and fun. Look, my snow angel is perfect as magic. Let's make the tree sparkle bright. And a golden star right on top.
Smarty Kids, Smarty Kids wish joy to all.
Catch the net. Take that. This will make it shine bright, perfect, magical. This is amazing. Fast, faster, look at the snow sparkle. Let's make a path full of sweetness and sparkly snow.